Good morning, you guys.
It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday. And y'all know the vibes. It's early morning. And we about to make some breakfast.
For
What's
today.
going on? We're gonna make some Hungry Jack pancakes.
And some
eggs. Make some eggs. And we have
some
hickory
bacon.
bacon. And we have turkey bacon. So yeah, that's what's going on right now.
Took a whole lot to get that open.
So yeah, guys, that's what's going on right now.
So first we got the rice.
So yeah, we about to jump. We about to get ready and get started, and we're gonna jump right straight into the video.
Yep.
The pancakes mix for the waffles is on. Got this rolling. Got the bacon on. We putting rest of the bacon. We got turkey bacon and we got regular bacon. So that's what's going on. And he putting rest of the pieces of the bacon in this pan because we have enough because it was over full. So yeah, you guys, we about to get started. So she about to bust the eggs. Y'all see what's going on. That's how you do it. Y'all see the vibe. Breakfast cooking going on this morning. We got Kobe on the waffles. Y'all see it going on. Y'all see what's the vibe. And yeah, we got our little setup going on in here. We got our little,
Heaven did it, so.
Heaven did it, yeah. So
but I didn't help because she didn't probably want to be helped.
Y'all see the vibe.
That's that way.
Morning breakfast.
How many eggs put in?
Put a few of them. And yeah. So he dropping the second waffle in, you guys. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see what's going on. What's going on. What's going on, you guys?
It's not Jennifer.
Waffles are done, you guys. Got all the waffles.
I'm the manager. I'm the waiter,
It's the bacon. Finish the bologna. Frying a free piece of bologna. Then drop the eggs.
I'm the waiter, y'all.
And yeah, that's what's going on, you
I
guys.
don't people treat me wrong. Mommy people treat me wrong.
That's what's going on. And they live like China 5 in here. They ready to eat.
You need a just call.
They ready to eat. They got their menu and everything, you know.
Manager, why are you recording me, manager?
Yeah, because I am letting them know that y'all are waiting on your food.
But Jenna, I'm gonna call the manager.
Okay, she says she are mad because her food haven't came out yet, and she is calling the manager. Yeah.
Mama, you is the manager.
But I'm the manager, as you can see, and I'm on my way.
I'm the waiter.
The food is on its way.
Okay, y'all gotta
So y'all hold tight, you guys.
I'm gonna call the police on you.
Don't do it. Oh, man. The food is on its way. We on our way. We'll be back when the food is done, you guys. Bye. The food is not done, you guys. Pancakes, eggs, bacon, bologna. And that's what's going on. We about to eat it up. We about to eat it up. They finna do a dance battle right quick. Well, she already getting ready. So we gonna do about 2-3 minutes of it and let them do them a dance battle. And she got Wonder Wig on. I got the bike.
go.
Hey, 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 hey. Trinity, I ain't finna play with you. Hey, 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 do it, girl. Do it. There you go. Hey, hey, hey. There you go, girl. There you go. Hey, 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 hey. Do it, girl. Hey, there you go. Do it, Trinity. There you go. Do it, girl. Hey, do it, girl. Do it. Do it, Trinity. Hey, hey, do it, Trinity. Hey, hey, there go Wanda. Hey, hey, I got the bite. There you go. There she go. Go, girl. Go, girl. Hey, hey, there she go. Hey, hey, her wig fell off. Hey, hey, she lost her hair. Hey, 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 there go on the ground. Do y'all see it? Hey, 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 look at the wig. Hey, 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 it fell off. There they go. Yay, do it, girls. I say yay, do it, girls. Do it. I say you better do it, girls. Yeah, do it. Hey, and we gonna call it a day. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye. And her wig fell off again. Y'all see it? Hey, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry, a.k.a. Sherry. Welcome back to a new video. And hey, you guys. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, you guys. And I'm just getting out the shower. Just took my shower, just brushed my teeth. I'm right here now, just cleaning my face and things like that. What's going on? Dropped the kids off earlier. So now, I'm trying to get some time for myself. Y'all know what's going on. That's what's going on and everything. I have to be to work later on today. Yesterday I had to be there this morning, so today I have to be there this evening. So I'll be working a little bit. So that's what's going on, but I'm just finished getting myself together for the day and things like that. I just came to introduce the video. Y'all know the vibes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip once I get done. Well, guys, I'm done with that. I'm just about to probably make me some coffee. That's what I want to do, make me some coffee. I need that early morning caffeine. Y'all know what's going on. Good early morning caffeine. But I'm all nice and clean right now. By the way, it's like 9:40 something in the morning. It's like 9:40 something. I've been up since 5, so like I said, I'm just getting myself together and everything. And kids been dropped off at school. So therefore, I'm about to slip on these pants. I'm about to, like I said, make me some coffee. Just wait till it's time for me to get ready to go to work. That's the only thing going on right now. Yep, but yeah, you guys. Hope everybody enjoying the holidays. The first of December week. The first of December week. And everything. I hope people's getting in the holidays still. I'll try my best, but it ain't saying that, you know. But yeah, guys. Just slipping on something. It's still time for me to go to work because I'm not going to keep this on anyway. I'm about to get ready and put on my work clothes after this. So this just after the shower and things like that. My face feels so smooth. If y'all can feel it, y'all, it's so smooth. But yep, I'm done. Gotta get myself together for that day. For that day. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So So yeah, guys, I'm about to go in this kitchen, make me some coffee. So let's go and I'll see y'all in there. So I'm back, guys. Now I'm just cleaning it real quick to my coffee get done. So just straightening up the bathroom real quick. That's what's going on right now. Just pulling everything up and things. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Stuff and things like that. Tonight, I'm got some chickens. That's my coffee. It's the original roasted. I'm now in the car, as y'all can see. I am on my way heading to the donut shop. So sorry if it's dark. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm on my way heading to the, what do you call it, the donut box for my sister right quick. So, yeah, that's where I'm heading to now. And I'll see you guys. That's the place I'm going to right there, the donut box. I'm gonna go around the drive-thru. So I'm back, guys. They actually didn't have what she wanted there, so she just got donuts. Got me a gravy. That's good. Good. The donuts good, but they didn't have no food-wise. They didn't have no food. All their food was out. As far as, she wanted 2 spicy rolls, but they was out. They didn't have no food at all on the menu, so I see they come for them breakfast or something because shoot, they sold out early and they just went. It's almost, well, it's back 10 o'clock now. So yeah, guys, I'm heading back. I'm still drinking on my coffee as well, too. I had to taste the tea right quick. You know? It's good to me. So yeah, guys, I'm on my way heading back to the house, and I'll see you guys then. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. You guys, I'm back. I'm now in the car again because I'm about to head to Dollar Tree right quick to get some bread and me an Arizona drink or something. Because I'm going to get ready to go to work. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's now 11:33. So, yeah, let me take this bun off. My hair stretching to do my little edges right quick. But, yeah, that's what I'm on my way heading to right now, you guys. I'm on my way heading to Dollar Tree. And, yeah, I'm going to see you guys when I get in the store. So I'm back at a Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm back out. Oh, I can drop my phone. I'm leaving from Dollar Tree. They didn't just really have what I want. So I ain't getting nothing but 2 items out of there. 2 little items. And my purchase about to knock it out of my hand. 2 little items out of here. I ain't getting nothing but Arizona drink. Get some chocolate, you guys. So they didn't have what the other things I want. I needed some bread and stuff like that, but I guess I'm going to have to go in one of these other little stores right quick because it's almost time for me to go to work. But I'm about to head in this little corner store or something just to grab some bread, and that'll be, yes, I'll be after that. I'll be heading on to work. So I'm going to catch you guys in a few once I get ready and get myself together. All right, I'm back, you guys. And I am now in the car. I'm about to head to work. That's what's going on. Got myself together. Looks a little warm out here. Got this jacket. I'm gonna get ready to take this down my hair. So you guys, I'm getting ready to take this down this weekend. But as for now, you're gonna do for today. But yep, that's where I'm on my way going. I'm on my way going to work, and I'll see you guys when I get there.
It took took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. We can't let